afternoon, folks. Debra's Creative Kitchen here. I thought I would do something for a health benefit for myself today, and what I decided to do was a lemon elixir. So what we're going to do is start off with a clean lemon, a nub of ginger. We're going to be using turmeric powder or fresh, whatever you have on hand. I have some olive oil. This is the brand that I'm using. And I'm going to be also adding fridge fresh filtered water. And what we'll be needing is, this is a 4-cup measuring cup. I like to use glass. And the measuring spoons, which this will be a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then a 1/4 cup for our oil, which is milk. So first off, what I'd like to show you is a brand new appliance that I bought, and it is the KitchenAid Blender. It's awesome. Has a lot of features. It is an 8-cup or a 68-ounce jug. Just sits on there ever so nicely. And this one has the ability to do a smoothie. You can crush ice, and it also has a clean button. So once you're done using it, you put in a little bit of soapy water, warm, cold, whatever you prefer. Just touch the clean button, and that cleans underneath the blades and a portion of it, and then you just rinse, wipe it out. And that way you're not trying to clean the blades with your hands and taking a chance that you're going to get cut. So what we're going to start off with, we're going to start off by skinning our ginger. You cannot clean ginger under tap water or soak it, in my opinion. So you can take a teaspoon and the ginger with the skin on it, and then just gently sort of scrape the skin off the ginger, and you just use your spoon and just scrape it along. You're not going to get it all off because there's little nooks and crevices, but as long as you get the majority off, that should be good enough. Your choice. You can cut the little nub off if you want, but I'm not going to. And basically, it will be a part of our lemon elixir. So, take a little bit more off. And then what we're going to do is cut this into tiny pieces and put it in the blender. They don't have to be perfect. This is all home-based, fun, creativity. Throw this in the blender. Off it goes. Ginger is very good for you. Off that goes. Then what we're going to do is we'll take the lemon, and you use the whole lemon. You don't cut the ends off. You just cut it into pieces, chunks. That's about the size that I'm using. It's a pretty large lemon, actually. I can take the seed out because it did fall out of there. You don't have to put the seeds in, but I'm putting the whole thing in there. Benefits of everything, skin and all. I pre-washed mine, so remember to take off the sticker. Our lemon and our ginger in there, and what we're going to do, put that back on there, take our turmeric, and I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon. Put that in there as well. And we're going to use a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And I'm using the measuring cup. Oh. Using my left hand. Oh boy. That goes in there as well. Then we're going to pour in our measuring cup, 3 cups of water. Straight out of the fridge, nice and cold. Pour that right into our blender. Gonna get a little noisy. And I noticed that with this lid, this part of the lid should line up with the handle. And there you have it. So now we lock in the top portion, and then I'm going to turn this on. But you have to turn it on first. Safety first. I'm just pulsing it right now. And as you see, it's getting more and more liquidy, which is great. I put it on the smoothie, but I find when you use the smoothie button for the KitchenAid Blender, it actually makes it very frothy, and I don't like that. Because what we're going to do is we're going to strain this after. It only takes a couple of minutes, which I love. So what we'll do is we're going to take this out, and as you can see, it's quite liquidy, but not so foamy. Just a little bit on the top. That's okay. Folks, what I'm going to do is use a spatula and a strainer and a larger bowl, because approximately 32 ounces or 4 cups, which is pretty good. That's why you don't add 4 cups of water, because you're going to get a lot of liquid from the lemon and so on and so forth. So I want you to see what I've done is put the strainer over top of the bowl. And I'm going to pour this directly into the strainer. Let the liquids all come out. We'll do half at a time. And then you just kind of work it around. Work it around. That's the pulp there. From the ginger, the lemon. It's very health beneficial. I just grabbed myself a little bowl that I love to use. And I'm just going to put the pulp inside there, because I'm going to save mine, and I'm going to have some yogurt tomorrow morning, and I'm going to put it on top. Mix that around. See, just squeeze it out. Now that we have all of our liquid, I'm going to pour it into our measuring cup. Pour this back in. It makes it easier to pour into your juice shot. I'll show you that I have a funnel that I like to use. It's very small, but it works. These are my juice shot glasses, and they're about 2 ounces, and then they come with a nice black lid, easy clean. So basically, the reason for putting it into the measuring cup is it's a lot easier to pour in. So gently pour in to the top, don't overflow them. And we continue doing all 6. I like this little funnel because it has a little edge on it to hold on to it, so it doesn't keep falling over on you. Last one. You can add cinnamon to the top of this. Like I said, you could put honey, a couple of drops of honey, and every morning, take a shot in the morning or whenever you feel like it. Totally up to you. It works best on an empty stomach. Lid's on. So pretty. I love the color. There we go. They don't take up a lot of room in your fridge. That's just enough juice. If you want to do 2, you do 2. And then with the rest of this, I'm going to put it into a glass mason jar and then put that in the fridge. So once these are done, I can refill them after I wash them. Just a regular glass mason jar or a ball jar, whatever you guys call them. This doesn't need a funnel, so I'm just going to pour and all that goodness right in that jar. Look at that. I found myself a nice glass mason jar with a wide mouth lid and topper. Put that inside there. Put that on the jar. Turn that on. I do a quick cleanup here, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Some healthy juice first thing in the morning, all homemade. I hope you enjoyed and have a great day.